What's up, y'all? So right now we're about to set up a broker account with Traders Way. Okay, so so what you wanna do is type in tradersway.com and then scroll down and then you'll see this right here. Open account now. Type in first name, last name, email, and then for account type personal. Birthday, whatever. And then down here is gonna say, how did you hear about us? It doesn't really matter what you put. You can just, whatever. And then we won't be making a live account right now because y'all will want to practice with the demo account. Now, what a live account is like the real deal, okay? And so what a demo is basically like a practice or whatever. And so so down here you'll see these three little things. You'll see MT4 var ECN or MT5 ECN. Now what you want to do is do MT4 var, okay? If you do these down here, then they're just gonna take more of your money and per like trade. So basically with a var account you won't get commission with it, okay? But with an ECN account you'll get commission. And so that's kind of how it works. But anyway, choose var, whatever, click confirm, open an account now, and then you should be good. Okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry. But once you start, you should log in and then they'll send you this. Now this isn't my real account. This is just something I just made up. And so your account number, which is your username for your demo account is right here, and then the password will be sent to your email address or whatever. Okay, now down here is your account. Okay, so right here you have your login information. Okay, now up here this is just for your demo account and it's going to be on the MT4. Okay, so your actual Traders Way account is right here. So your login, your username is your Gmail, and then your password is right here. If you want to change your password, you can. Once you're in here, and I'll show you how to like do all of that. But Alright, so as y'all can see, I created my account, and if you look up here, it says not verified. Okay, so why does it say that? Because you aren't verified for a real account, which is the live accounts where you can trade real money. Okay, so if you want to get verified, you have to upload your verification documents. Okay, so what that is, or just basically your ID or proof of address and whatever. So you just need two forms of confirmation. Basically you'll take a picture, whatever, you can take one on your phone or whatever, and then you'll click down here. You don't have to move it to your laptop. You can just go on like Safari or Chrome on your phone and just upload it from there or whatever. So then select document, whatever, select both of them and then upload documents. And then I believe it's like it takes like a day or less than like a day to like verify your account, or just to like hear back from them. Okay, let me see, let me confirm that. Mine happened I think in like a few hours or like a few minutes, to be honest, I don't know. But that's for a live account, but we aren't worried about that right now. So if you look over here, this is the demo account I created when I created this account, and so right now it says I have $50,000 inside of it. Now the difference is a live account is real money, a demo is fake money, where you can just practice like new strategies or whatever, you feel what I'm saying? So we won't be trading with $50,000. However, I would like for you guys to just maybe like use this base account first, so kind of just fill out some trades and see how the whole platform works, because basically I'm going to have you guys turn $10 into $100 at least 3 to 5 times, and if you can do that, then you're more than ready for live account. Okay, so what do I mean by platform? So if you look down here, this is the platform that you're going to be trading on, and as you can see, it isn't online. Now with this broker, it's a platform, but with some brokers, there's websites, but we're going to be using a broker that uses this platform. Okay, because a lot of our strategies or whatever have indicators and stuff that correlate with it or whatever, and it's just easier you feel what I'm saying, for me to help you guys with something I trade on. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, to open a new account, say you didn't want to trade with this one, and you kind of wanted to start trying to flip $10 to $100. Click right here, open a demo account, empty for var USD currency, and as you can see, you have your leverage. I'm gonna keep it 1 to 100. Now remember, leverage is your account size times this number over here. So if you're going to have $10 placed inside of it, 10 times 100 is 1,000. Okay, and so that's your buying power, your total buying power. So yeah, $10 deposit, open account. Now as you can see, we have a new account. You feel what I'm saying? Now here's the username, and then here's the password. Okay, and also down here, this is the link to download this trading platform right here. Okay, now once you have it downloaded and everything, you should open it up, and it should look something like this. You feel what I'm saying? Just booty butt cheeks. You feel what I'm saying? So anyway, to change this, click properties. Well, first right click, go down properties, and then first go over to comment. Okay, now what you want to do is take out this grid, and then click show as price line, and show period separators. Okay, now what the as price line is, y'all see right here how it's just one line. So the show as price line, look, y'all see how that red line just moved? Basically, that's how they also kind of try to trick people. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, you want to click this, yeah, and everything. So the show as price line is basically where the price is or whatever. You feel what I'm saying? And it helps you with realizing how big the spread is. We'll talk more about that later on though. But the show period separators, basically these separate, the days or whatever. You feel what I'm saying? So this is one day, this is the previous day, this is the previous day, because of these dotted lines right here. Okay, so if I take these off, you don't know, which is a day or whatever. Yeah. Now, also go up here and click this for your candlesticks. You feel what I'm saying? Right here you have a graph, candlesticks, and then right here these are some booty butt cheeks you don't want. Okay. Click properties, background, you can make it whatever. Usually people set up their accounts like this. Which one is line? Yeah, this line right. No, the fuck it ain't. This line. Okay. So bear it down. Put that red right there. Whatever. Bear candle. Red. So basically, this is typically how people have theirs. Green going up, red coming down. Okay. But yeah. So that's basically how you set up your account. Okay. But as y'all can see, let me see which one. Which one do I want to use? I'm sure I'll have to do all this later or whatever. But anyway, yeah, so that's how you set up your account and everything set up like the chart. Now, if you want to log into your broker account or whatever, go over here, right click, log in to trade account, and then come back down. You know, you can copy and paste whatever password and username down there, and then you know, make sure you have Traders Way demo, and then you should be able to log in. Okay. Now your account doesn't have to, like, your charts don't have to be like green or red or whatever. You know, just set it up how best you like it. Like this setup right here, I like this one a lot better than, you know, this one right here. However, you know, like some of them help me, you know, just see better. Some of them I have, you know, like these moving averages. Some of them I have green candles and red ones. Some I just got it like this. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Now, as you can probably see, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, like I have different indicators on some charts. A few charts I have none. You feel what I'm saying? A few charts I got, you know, different ones. So after this, we're going to learn about like candlestick patterns, and then after that, that's when I'm going to like teach y'all your first, you know, trading strategy. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah.